Thank you to the organizers for inviting me once again to this conference. Congratulations to the 20th anniversary, which is great, especially in times of a couple of years of crisis. Actually, this is my 15th attention to this conference, and I'm very happy to be here again. I have a short presentation regarding digitalization of claims assessments and especially self-assessments. So we are not talking anymore about B2B only, but we are talking B2C now. I have two videos, and the first one shall give you an impression where we come from, how this idea has developed over the years. And the first one is in English, so it's no problem. The second one I will interrupt at least twice to give you some more explanation, because it's in German, but it's the actual live version we have brought to the Austrian market. So this is a live environment. This is how our customers and the customer's customer, so the end customer, works with the application. We call it GoTime Driver, the new way of damage capturing. Let's now start with the first video.
Today is a brand new day. No talking, just texting. No meet and greets, just friend requests, tweeting, Snapchatting, Instagramming. Why talk to one person when you can message to tens, thousands, millions of people? Technology changes everything around us. But one thing remains true. Accidents happen. The evolution of the smartphone has changed our way of life. Over 149 million people in the US own a smartphone, making up the majority of the population. The smartphone has altered our culture, the way we share and communicate our lives to one another, and the way we do business. But the unrealized truth is how the phone call has become the most disruptive form of communication. The last thing people actually want to do with their smartphone is talk on it. Today, businesses are empowering their users with self-service technologies, while at the same time drastically reducing their service expenses. Banks have online deposits and transfers. Airlines have mobile boarding passes and send updates on upcoming flights. The claims industry should be no different. It's time to evolve. Introducing AutoExplorer's GoTime Driver, the first end-to-end intelligent self-service claim solution. In 3 steps, GoTime Driver presents claims on the go for your drivers, without the hassle of appointments, paperwork, or phone calls. In step 1, the driver will identify their damage on a gamified 3D representation of their car by rotating, tapping, and swiping for damage. Next, drivers will easily take appraiser-quality photos of their car using AutoExplorer's patent-pending photo guide technology. The information is submitted, and within minutes an estimate is received. In step 2, GoTime Driver empowers customers to research and locate the right shop and schedule the repair for when it's most convenient for them. Finally, in step 3, drivers can then track their repair from anywhere and at any time, complete with daily photos, status updates, and process explanations. GoTime Driver, because your customers deserve more than phone calls and photo apps. It's GoTime, available only from AutoExplorer.
So this was true 1.5 years ago for the United States. And what we've done, we've brought this product from the States to the UK, where we have a big development center in order to localize it for European markets. And the first market, together with a big partner, Allianz, will be Austria. What is specific about the GoTime Driver? It's a cognitive self-service app, a B2C application that you can download and do the claims assessment, basically the damage capturing by yourself. It's a regular workflow. It's very intuitive, capturing the damage. It's an instant repair cost estimation. You can notify the shop. You have a 3D model coverage. You will see this in the second video of already more than 90% of all the cars that we find in Europe. We have it available now in English and in German to the Austrian market. We'll also go to Germany and later to France. And what is also very important, it runs on iOS and Android. How do we integrate? Basically, it's an easy piece of cake if you have a great database. You just build an application. You can do the capturing with the dents and the scratches on a 3D model. You will see this in the app again. Then comes the mapping regarding calculation parts, repair operations, and the respective work units. And at the end, we apply the rates defined by the manufacturer, defined by the importer, regarding labor, regarding parts, and regarding paint prices. What are the advantages? So first of all, the big advantages for the insurer. It's paperless. Just to put this into perspective, the number 2 of Allianz worldwide, the chief operating officer, said, when I will retire in 2020, I don't want to see any paper anymore in the communication between my company and my customers. Everything shall be digital. They have a huge digital strategy in the group. It's an intuitive capturing and brings you all the information for the damage. It's an instant claim settlement if you wish. I will show this to you later. And you can go to trusted repair shops and have your car repaired. And of course, and this is very important for all the involved people, it's a very transparent process. Same thing. On the other side, the main topic is, again, self-assessment, quick, easy to handle, and transparent for everyone. Because everything is recorded. So there's nothing where you can manipulate anymore, because you access the database, you access the system, and everything is recorded on the platform. So it's transparent for everyone, it's quick for everyone, and it gives a very, very good overview, and also allows monitoring after you have done all the damage assessments and calculations. So now let me come to my second video, and that's the last video. Again, it's in German, so I will ask Octavian to stop.
Schadenexpress. Informieren Sie Allianz in 4 einfachen Schritten über Ihren
Inform
Fahrzeugschaden.
Allianz about your damage card.
Als erstes bestätigen Sie Ihr bereits identifiziertes Fahrzeug.
Confirm the
In einem zweiten Schritt führt Sie Allianz Schadenexpress durch die benötigten 4 Fotos. 2 mit Masken vorgegebenen Diagonalaufnahmen und 2 Nahaufnahmen. Die klassische Erfassung ist damit abgeschlossen.
You're done.
Sie können nun die Fotos übermitteln und Allianz liefert Ihnen ein Ablöseangebot innerhalb von 3 bis 5 Arbeitstagen.
Stop now. So what you've done so far is you've downloaded the application to your iPhone or to your Android phone, to your Samsung phone, whatever you have, and you've done a couple of photo capturing in the 3D world. What Allianz is now offering you is to send the photos and to say, yes, we do the standard service, which will take 3 to 5 working days, or you can also say we have an express service, and between 8 and 1600 in the afternoon, you will get an offer within 1 hour, based on an assessment done by an internal assessor in the back office area of Allianz. This is only photo capturing. This is the primitive version, and this is the version for the lazy consumers who don't want to do anything more. But now, it will get better.
Für ein Ablöseangebot innerhalb von 1 Stunde zeichnen Sie den Schaden zusätzlich an ein 3D-Modell ein.
Here we go.
Dazu rotieren Sie Ihr Fahrzeug zur beschädigten Stelle.
The advanced damage capturing.
Durch Antippen erhalten Sie eine Auswahl von Schadenbildern.
This is what you do yourself.
Kratzer können Sie mit Ihrem Finger selber auf dem Fahrzeug einzeichnen.
Scratches you move your
Ellen
finger.
werden direkt eingetragen. Die Größe, Ausrichtung und Position
Size,
eingezeichneter
position,
Schäden
you
können
define
Sie durch
everything.
Antippen korrigieren.
You can correct it at any time.
Sie können jederzeit die Hilfe zur Rate ziehen.
Here you find help. Here you find the typical damages.
Oder den bereits erfassten Schaden überprüfen.
Or you can check it again. Is it correct what you did? And you can make a comment.
Kommentar schließen Sie die Schadenerfassung ab und entscheiden sich zwischen einer
Stop.
Barauszahlung.
Now, the entire process is done. It will be uploaded via the interface to the Allianz back office system, and you can decide now if you take cash on hand, you accept an offer given to you by Allianz back office, or you want your car to be repaired, or you can also say, I will decide later. Go ahead.
Zahlung oder der Reparatur des Schadens. Geschafft. Allianz wird Sie für die nächsten Schritte kontaktieren.
This is it basically. It's a very primitive thing. You just download it to your iPhone, you do the damage capturing, and if you're not lazy and send only photos, you do basically the assessment by yourself. And it's all supported completely electronically. based on the Autotext database, based on the application we've built together with Allianz. And it's a gamified application that, especially with young people, we've seen a lot of success so far. The 60 plus, the 70 plus won't do it. But the young guys used to smartphones are really crazy for that. So, having shown you this video, I thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a nice break now, and thank you very much again. One important last point not to forget. We call it GoTime Driver in Austria. It's called Auto Smart, and it's already available in Romania as well. Thank you. Mulțumesc!